Hey, y'all, this is Tony with Eat and Travel with Tony. Welcome to the video today. The video today is about, well, it's not about eating or traveling, but it's about something that I can use for my cookie business, which is technically eating. So I ordered a label printer. I'm just going to unbox it for you all because I do not know how to use it yet. So I'll be trying to use it this week. And of course, I'll show y'all how it works and that kind of thing once I get the hang of it. So no worries. But of course, before we get into this video, make sure that you, of course, click the subscribe button. Then, of course, click the whatever it is, the button or the bell notification to receive all the videos uploaded from this point here on out. Y'all, it's morning. I'm getting confused for some reason. Lord Jesus. But like I said, good morning to y'all. Good morning. Good morning. Like I said, this is something I had to order for my business. I know a lot of y'all out there may be looking at this and maybe cooking, maybe doing different I have like a home bakery or that type of thing as well. I have a home bakery called Cookies and Ish, and y'all probably already saw that on this channel too, because I post, of course, some of the cookie videos and a few pictures, of course, from like the, what is it called, the vendor events and that type of thing as well. So of course, y'all probably already know about that. But like I said, I had to order because I saw on Instagram somebody had like a label printer. Not for some reason, it should have dawned on me a long time ago that I can buy one and make this stuff myself, my own labels. And for some reason, it never did, probably until like 2 or 3 weeks ago. Well, but let me see when I ordered this. Maybe like a month ago. Maybe a month ago. Still recently. And I should have been knowing this, y'all. But I'm like, this, how crazy can I be? I had no idea you can even do this. Why, I'm not sure. And I thought the doggone machines were so expensive. I thought they were hundreds and thousands of dollars, which this was probably, I think it was like less than $100 actually. So I'm like, this is crazy. So like I said, I definitely wanted to get one of these so I can go ahead and make the start making my own labels for my cookie bags and my cookie boxes and stuff like that. And I'll put the link to my cookie business in the description so that you all can, of course, check it out if you want to order a box or that kind of things. I do ship and that kind of thing as well. But like I said, y'all, why didn't I know this? But let me go ahead and start opening up this thing. Let me go ahead and get this thing open, y'all. So, but like I said, I hope y'all doing well. And like I said, if you know somebody that has a home business, no matter what kind of business it is, I know most businesses, if you're shipping, you're making stuff, you have to have some labeled. Make sure that you share this video with them so that they can, of course, get something that they can, of course, use that can help out their business. So they don't have to keep buying labels like I was doing. So I was buying labels from Oriental Trade every few months or so. And those labels were about $100. Depends on how many I bought. More expensive, I put it that way. So, and it was just for like the little circle labels to go on my cookie bags. And I put one of those, like a picture of her somewhere, so I guess so you all can see it. Okay. I got paper packaging, trying to get all this stuff out the way. Oh, goodness gracious, I can't get the box. This thing kind of hit me, y'all. Okay. So, and it's called Munbyn, M-U-N, okay, hold on. M-U-N-B-Y-N, it's called Munbyn. It's a laser printer, logistics label printer, it says. So let me go ahead and get this on open, y'all. As soon as I get it open. And of course, it has packaging in here, information, because I'm going to have to read through all this stuff to figure out how to use this doggone thing. So I've seen like 1 or 2 videos, but I'm going to go back and see more, actually. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. Okay, there's the actual power cord, and it says it's a USB cable printer and how-tos, US adapter for Mac, USB stick. I don't know what it is, y'all, but I will find out. So, and this looks like the actual power cord, because I think it probably goes along with this, maybe? Yeah, it plugs into here. This is just like a laptop plugs into there. And this is, I'm not sure, some other kind of USB, probably goes from the printer to the computer is what I'm going to assume. On my laptop is what I'm going to assume. So, and this is the actual printer itself, y'all. I got a blue one. I know they had pink, purple. They had all colors, y'all. Trust me. I didn't want either one of those colors, so I got blue. I don't know how to open it at all. Y'all, I have no idea how to do this thing. Oh, maybe that's it. Okay. So I'm like, I have no idea how to open this thing. And it looks like there's a label sample already in there. But like I said, I'm going to have to learn how to use this, y'all, because I do not know how to use this. The button that I pressed to open it up was this button right here on the back. And then there's a, of course, the power button, something like where the cords go and that kind of thing on the back too. So I got to figure this out, y'all. But it's a small, very small printer. So when I saw it online, like I said, there were several people that had them as well. I'm like, I've got to get one of those. They ain't no sense to me not having one of those. I thought I ordered some more labels or something. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe the. I'm trying to see what this is. But these may be. I think it was some labels that actually came with this. Let me see, because I'm going to actually have to order me some actual labels to go across my cookie box. I'm going to have to do actually. Yeah, these are some labels that actually came with it, like the big. They look like shipping labels almost, but you could use them, I'm sure, for anything. Because like I said, I'm going to need some of these to go on the outside of my cookie box to make it look a little bit more attractive. So, let me stick them. I guess I'll stick it in there. Yeah, I'll put the trash in there. But like I said, I did order some other labels as well. And these are 500 labels per box. I'm trying to get them up out of there. And I'm not going to open them right now, but they're colorful circle labels, y'all. And like I said, these are the ones that's going to go on my cookie bag. So I cannot wait to use them. And these are similar. I think they're just a different kind of color, though. Let me get this open. Trying to get it open, y'all. Trying to get it open. Hold on now. Yeah, they're about the same color. Because like I said, these have a little bit more color in them than these. But these are more purple pink. And these have greenish, bluish, purple pink, that kind of thing in there too. So like I said, these are labeled in there. So I guess it's 1,000 labels. Excuse me. And like I said, these are the circle labels. I believe they're, because I think the machine, of course, labels it all, cuts. I don't know if it cuts it all. I don't know, y'all. I will figure this out. I put it that way. And like I said, I'll definitely show y'all once I do get the information, how to use it, how to properly use it, and that kind of thing. I'll definitely be showing y'all. Trust me on that one. But like I said, I definitely want to just come on and show y'all this because, like I said, I know that there are some other folks out there who are looking for ways to, of course, increase their business, to have better labeling systems and stuff like that. And like I said, this is what I know is going to help me because I know all that buying all those pre-made labels, and I have to. They're about, when you buy 2 packs of them, they're probably about $100 for both. And this whole system was under $100, including these. And I just have to buy the stickers from now on. I don't know how long this thing lasts. Hopefully it lasts for a while. I am hoping. So like I said, once I get a chance to learn how to use this, I'll be looking at tutorials. We can practice in this. And so I can come on here and show y'all that I know how to use it now, that I can make the labels, so I can show y'all how my cookies and ish labels are going to look too. So, but until then, I'll put it, like I said, a link in the description of the video so y'all can check out my cookie business just in case you want to order some cookie, order a cookie box. So with that, y'all, this is Tony with Eat and Travel with Tony. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was all about cookies and ish, my home business. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed this, y'all. And like I said, this printer is going to do some wonders. And I cannot wait to show y'all. So peace out, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video.